Abusiafo, me mo bi bia kwa ba de ba GC and page so. Meaning edit adwa search. Mesro now want subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell also for more news.
Because Okobi ane apam no school fees no di jai. Chairman. Na ende aban bi apa said ye tie biara o maame ye hia ni o papa ye sikani o papa ye hia ni ko school na fa boa wankasa wo ho na unya political party be ka kire ye maame no mo se monka se free education na enye papa because ye koto aba we have to be very careful. Chairman, bo video no na uwia menkasa kakra bi.
I said, boss, employ me. I don't have a certificate. And it's true, do I have a certificate?
You don't.
Bill, I don't have.
You have an SS certificate. A what certificate?
Debbie Ming Manco SS. Maybe SHS.
You didn't go to secondary school?
No, I started a Prince of Peace Girls Secondary, but I couldn't finish Form 1.
Why?
Why? They be near Pamomi school fees. And I was so embarrassed. I just felt like, this is not me. Let me step out. So I stopped going to the school. Because I was owing from first term, second term, almost going to third term, I stopped.
What?
Because when the teacher enters the class, everybody will turn and look at me because they know I'm going home. You know that kind of feeling?
Yeah.
That time we were young, so we couldn't think of that it would be well. I just felt like it's a disgrace. I felt bad. I stopped.
So you stopped and went home to do what?
That was the question. When I went home, you know, when you're home, everybody will ask you, hey, are you not going to school?
Exactly.
What are you doing here? Why are you home? And all that. So I admitted myself in a school, College of Business Studies. And I just admitted.
You admitted yourself? With whose money?
School.
No,
said they should take me. I think that time, Nami uncle be me $50 every once in a blue moon. Okay. And then that time I had a friend be supporting me. Okay. The school fees was not much. It was those new secretarial schools.
So they were happy to
once
take
a while you see that it has come in the area, no? And so I just felt like, no, let me go and join this school. People are asking me, where are you? Let me go. So I enrolled in College of Business Studies. I was going to the school, Bella, knowing that I will not need that certificate for anything.
Oh, you knew?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I knew it.
But you still went anyway.
Because people were just questioning.
Okay. Bacho, sir, lady your casa, you will be any no. Nana Mama Brown, me boy. Or say,
of course,
Sika, na onia or the Beko school, Tino. Na offer because they be a back classroom or a pamono. A psychological effect on the child. Because Semeko school near Pamome, the other in a Meko school. Those times, no say, Pamoka, ye show. Say, Konakoji school fees, bra. This is Nana Mama Brown. The reason why people like her are supposed to champion TVET by this government, are supposed to champion free education by this government. Because there are thousands of girls like her who, for the opportunity of free SHS, they wouldn't have been able to make it.
Yep.
Utie.
100%.
Utie. There are girls like Nana Mama Brown in our villages and our constituencies, but for free education, they wouldn't have been able to survive or do anything better with their lives. So when you tell me, say, I buy the abe to ya ube fees, then they say, ya to me komu kakra, ya to dokumu kakra, ne no unti no be pamos a buy no. Akofa buy or no sebe, ude usika share Obama ni university kura when ya juma man no bet na fie. Ebe ya graduate unemployed association na to jiwa. Chairman, you be see and there. Na ya de nyame ase. Meaning if maybe you pick 1 or 2 calls if possible. You pick maybe 2 calls to be keke. Just 2 calls today because I'm kind of tired now. Yeah, next year you match break and Kolano with you and stuff. So
Opo Johnny.
Let's pick. Charlie, let's pick 2 calls and then who send them and then let's pick
I
2
know.
calls. Me pacho oba na where people who message brief, nice. Why who keep consistent nicely. Now next person swaba. Yeah, that's the studio line in the idea go. Me pacho more person, more friend Mr. Steven. Studio line, I would the best friend you go on a +1 647 559 2317. Mr. Steven, Oberfre +1 647 559 2317. WhatsApp calls only. Ofra, Yabefana Adventura Mono, Mosuma to media ba. Edemuni Nase. Nkrumah is somebody that should be thinking about state farms, state agencies, protecting state properties. Okay? Then guess what happened? When after a Champon, who I think is my favorite military ruler of Ghana, Chairman, I think we don't give a Champon a lot of credit. A Champon, the Omokacha Yanisef Autobeji Golf, but a Champon was a cap planting for food and jobs and Kasa, a Champon, a policy, because he was more about us growing food to feed our own self and not relying so much on foreign. So a Champon is one of the, serious military people that ruled Ghana. Now, Tiha, Chairman, in Ghana, we champion a year President Nkrumah achievements. On the Achimota, on the say, and the Legon, and a we say all these things, right?
Yep.
To say Nkrumah ayade at the ama Ghana. Now, Musha DC, party be eba Ghana through military. I from AFRC. You free AFRC, no more to trust him. Adebuganum ebe kunkum krofo ali dujiwanum ye de omo ye de omo beye ni na awie ye kire ya Rollins na twitwa ye ho san ma ye kunkum omo no Rollins san kodane no ho sesese no opese oba democratic rule and ye kofa PNDC edi PNDC ebe she ye eko na chairman I dare any was any kind of Johnny Hughes, Captain Jimmy, or Captain Jeffrey Fa, all the people that are making noise for NDC and making noise for Mahama say, under which government, under which regime, and the yes, chairman, and the call parliament say, a buy a human, young cotton, and fancoma private for under wine. I dare them to come out and tell us that. Me say, say NDC people don't care about Ghanaians. People think I'm lying. Let me tell you something, Maxwell. Somewhere about almost a month or two, Obiaba no share. Osha program where you good, just share. About a month or two ago, and like the health scheme for Babeka Chile say, and Koda vaccines why then I short. This is a dear who here. And me a president here. Baby, I'm a fan, many vaccines ni binang koda na ye vaccinated no me fe konya. Esan se NDC to me anya na MPP to me anya ni record time intino.